Hey everybody, we are back once again, and today we are going to teach you how to calculate your grade point average, your GPA, your grade point average. Alright, let's do that very quickly. That falls into chapter 10.3 with measures of central tendency. So, a grade point average. Let's suppose for a second you were taking some classes. Maybe you're taking 5 classes. And in your classes, your grades are, let's say you made an A, a C, a B, another B, and you have that one class that's just, ugh. I'm sorry, but, you know, sometimes it is what it is. There we go. These are the grades you made. The credit hours for each class. The credit hours for each class, let's suppose that class you made an A in, that was a 3 credit hour class. The class you made a C in was a, let's say that was a 4 credit hour class. The B, maybe that was a 1 credit hour class, and then these two were both 3 credit hour classes. Those are my credit hours. So from that information, you have these classes, whatever they may be. This is probably like a biology lab or something. This is like a simple little, I don't know, maybe that's like a PE course. These are regular English, math, and sociology, but 3 credit hours, 4 credit hours, 1 credit hour, and so on. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is assign these grades certain quality point values. Certain quality point values. So we're going to come here and we're going to look at quality points. Quality points. Alright, so an A, by the way, an A on a 4-point grade scale, an A is going to be worth 4 quality points. So we're going to put us a 4 right here under quality points for that A. A C is worth 2 quality points on a 4-point grade scale. A B is worth 3 quality points. This B is also worth 3 quality points. And that F is worth no quality points. So these are the quality points assigned to these grades. Probably be worthwhile here for a second if we capture this information. A equals 4, B equals 3, C equals 2, D equals 1, and F equals 0. These are the quality point values right here. These are the quality point values for the grades, okay? Not getting into pluses or minuses. No A pluses or A minuses or C minuses or any of that. Just staying straight with the A, B, C, D, F, and those are the quality points associated. So our A here was worth 4, our C was worth 2, our B was worth 3, this is also worth 3, and our F was worth no quality points. So what we want to do next, after we assign the quality points based on the grade, is we want to multiply the credit hours that we got times the quality points to end up here with total QPs. Total quality points. So, in this course, we get 12 total quality points. In this course, we're going to end up with 8 total quality points. We're going to get 3 here. We're going to get 9 here and none here. Okay, so our quality points as we see it, 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 2 is 8, 1 times 3 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 0 is 0. Alright, so our step right there was simply to multiply our credit hours, our credit hours times our quality points to get our total quality points. Our next step is going to be to take the total of our credit hours. Our credit hours will add up here to 3, 6, 7, 10, 14. So we have been enrolled in 14 credit hours. Our total quality points here add up to 20. 20 and 3 is 23, and then 23 and 9 is 32. Okay, 32. So we attempted 14 credit hours. We got 32 total quality points. So far, so good? All right. Now, our last step is to do our total quality points, TQPs, divided by our credit hours, total credit hours. That's our last step. And so our total quality points were 32. We're going to take that and divide it by 14. Now, in some of these problems, you may round to the 10th. Some may round to the 100th. Let's see what we get here on our handy-dandy calculator. All right, so let's take a look. I'm going to do 34 divided by 14 equals, I got a 2.2857. Lots of stuff. Let's see what that does. 2.2857, and it goes on a little bit even beyond that. 142. All right, 2.2857. If we round that to the nearest hundredth, it would round off right here. Okay, at the 8, the 5 would bump that to a 9. So rounding to the hundredth, we would have a 2.29. Ooh, that F, that baby just killed us. If we'd have gotten any kind of a decent grade there, we'd have been up around a 2.5, 2.7. It'd have been up there pretty good. But that F hurt us. The A's and all were pretty solid in there. The C was okay, but it was a 4 credit. Notice that the more credit hours that a course carries, the more the grade counts in the overall grade point average. So that C counted 4 times as much as this B because it was 4 times more credit hours. But the F really hurt us right there. F's never are good. They just aren't good. No quality points there. All right, so here's your example. Quick review. You're going to have your grades, you're going to have your credit hours. You're going to assign the grade a quality point. You're going to take the credit hours and multiply those times the correct quality points. You're going to get your total quality points. You'll take your total quality points now and sum those up. You're going to add up your total credit hours. You get this. Take your total quality points, divide them by your total credit hours, and you have your GPA rounded to the 100th, typically, maybe to the 10th. Just depends on what the problem asks for. That's it. So figure out those GPAs. Keep those babies high. Work them hard. Do your thing. And I will see you back next time. And I believe we'll do some algebra. Y'all be good. Bye now.